Let's make potato pizza today. I have here the shredded potato, russet potato, 2 pieces. And then after I grated it in the food processor, I washed it in water and then squeezed. And then I have here a tablespoon of oil, oregano, just one, two, three, four, five, six shakes. And then this is the thyme. One, two, three, four, five, six. That's it. And then paprika. One, two, three. Black pepper. Two, three, four. Then, not to forget the basil. Pizza has always basil. One, two, three, four, five, six. Then crack one egg and mix with our hand. The best tool in the kitchen is our hand. And to make this crispy, this will be a thin crust potato pizza. We have to add a cup of cornstarch. This is 1/2 cup, and this is another half. This, then mix again. If you run out of ingredients, that's when you find out some of the recipes. I was supposed to make a pizza out of flour, but I discovered I ran out of flour and I don't want to go to the store. So, this is what happened. Now, we have to put this in the pan, lined with parchment paper, and into the oven. 375 degrees until it gets brown. We'll make this thin. The thinner the crust, the faster it will get cooked. Okay. Then into the oven, 375 degrees until it gets brown. My potato pizza crust is ready for the topping. In the bowl, squeeze 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. If you made a lot of your pizza sauce, just put it in a container and freeze it. And then 1 tablespoon of sour cream and add a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Then mix them well. Pizza sauce is done. Let's spread them on our potato crust. But this is not much of rice. Sprinkle with cheese. And then put this back in the oven until the cheese are melted. It's out from the oven, cheese are melted. Let's cut. It's crispy. You should try this recipe. This is so good. Wow, I'm lucky today. I have somebody in the house to attest my cooking. Yes, very good. It's crunchy. You can add more cheese if you want, or you can get the part here with a lot of cheese. Thank you for watching Hungry Buddies 182. Try this new pizza. You'll love it.